up, everybody? Today we have this Stratford office chair. Pretty simple. We're just going to do a quick build and review on it, and tell you all about it. So the source is Big Lots. This is where we got it. That's right down the road from us. I looked on Amazon, looked around, but I wanted something fast, and I mean, I know it comes fast, but anyway, wanted to get it right away. So we went a couple places. We also tried Walmart, and we shopped around at some of the thrift places to try to find one, maybe a good one for a good deal, but this is where we're at. The quality, I'd say it's in the middle. Fair quality. I like the stitching, the metal's all nice, all the connections are nice, the hardware was nice, the sockets were nice, everything's nice there. Padding's nice, so everything had a nice crisp feel to it, so that was good. Availability and accessibility was nice. Big Lots had it. They had a few of them, so that was good. We actually bought two, one for me and one for my son. Build difficulty, super easy. It's just a few Allen headed bolts, for the seat base and the seat back. So, and it came with the Allen key. You don't need any tools. If you do want to use tools, you can get yourself, a little power tool. This is a power screwdriver, so you can check this out in one of my other videos. It's Black & Decker lithium. It has a little handle, pretty nice. But we're going to be using that to assemble this one. Comfort and ergonomics are pretty good. It feels really good. Like sitting in the cushion's nice, the seat back's nice. When you scoot your butt back, it feels good. One thing lacking or wish it had was more adjustability. Doesn't have very much adjustability. It just has the tension for the seat to swivel back and the height adjuster, and that's it. And I would like this to be able to slide in and out. Would have been nice to move the back toward the seat, so that's something, kind of pros and cons that it lacked. Pros are easy to get, easy to build, semi-comfortable. Cons are mid-cost. The cost was $79 on it, so it's like in the middle. I mean, well, you can get crazy with office chairs, but for a regular situation, not a therapeutic chair. Overall rating, I would give it a 6.5 out of 10. So this is it.